And we're done. It says here the transaction went through. The funds are obviously withdrawn. So let's check our Optimism network account. And not here yet. So let's give it a few seconds. And here it is. So everything went through just fine. As you can see, there's the funds. You can check your activity. I don't see why it's not saying received. Strange. But there it is. Oh, and you can actually bridge now here as well with MetaMask directly. And they now support Optimism, I guess. Let's check that out. And there you go. Let's see the fee on that. I sent myself before. Ooh, it's going to tell me I can't do that. Wow, that's quite a bit. Oh, okay, now it's here. So that's actually pretty good. Very competitive. So I probably would have just bridged here from MetaMask. And now you can see how to do that as well. You enter your token here. Your network here to this network, your token here. And, Ethereum is Ethereum on Optimism. And then your gas to do it and how long it would take. A little longer. They're using Hop, which is part of these bridges over here that you could choose from. There it is, Hop. So not much of a difference. If you want to just stay within your own MetaMask wallet, there's a good way to do it right here. Just bridge. So there's two ways to bridge now that you've just learned. You can come over here. Again, let's do it. It would be this network that we're bridging from Ethereum to Optimism. We would be bridging Ethereum itself. And of course, you will be receiving Ethereum. And of course, whatever it is that you're going to send, let's see, check it out. Yeah, it's going to say insufficient funds, of course. 0.1. And then it's going to show you the price here. Of course, you would switch to the Ethereum Mainnet, or you could do it up here. And then you would just hit submit transaction. You could also wait for a new quote. And you would bridge your Ethereum from the Ethereum Mainnet to Optimism. And it would work much the same as we just did with our wallet here on this bridge. And so now you've learned two different ways that you can bridge Ethereum to the Optimism mainnet, and you will be using, of course, Ethereum to Ethereum. So that's one of the good things that I like about Optimism, and that's why I'm optimistic, is that you're not trading your Ethereum in for another token or for another payment method. You're basically keeping your good old Ethereum and just transferring it to another network that has very low gas fees, so you can do all of your transactions, and then if need be, you can always bridge it right back. It works the other way as well. So you can bridge it from Optimism. You get the point. I'm sure it's there. And vice versa on your MetaMask as well. It's using Hop. You can go backwards. You can bridge from Optimism to Ethereum and send your Ethereum back to the mainnet and back and forth, and to any other blockchains that accept Ethereum in that case. So I hope that made it clearer. I hope that you now understand how to bridge. If not, you can go ahead and rewind these videos, watch them as many times as necessary. And if you still have any questions, drop them in the comments. We look often and we get back to you. Thank you so much for being here. Just by watching this, may you be blessed.